My name is Suzanne O'Neill. I'm a horticulturist and I'm a florist, and everything I do is all around your health and well-being. And it's absolutely amazing to have a group. It's an actively retired group, but people that are unemployed, even children in the summer, can come along and work with us in our community garden. We grow a wide range of vegetables, and we have, most of all, we have great fun. The Folklore Memory Project, we're into our 6th week now, and it's absolutely fantastic. It's a lot better than I even had hoped for. It has integrated our old group and our new group together, and the new group now are going to continue with us into the future. They have brought along a lot of memorabilia that they had from home, and they spoke about it. Myself, I brought along a spade that my grandfather used. We have a group that's here with me for about 8-9 years, some of them longer, and they have integrated with a new group, which is fantastic. They're talking about old times, and they've lovely stories. And I've asked the new people that have come in, I've asked them would they want to stay when this project is over, and they are delighted to stay. So I'm thrilled with that we have a few new members for our community garden.